Anhui Solar has successfully completed the construction of a 29-megawatt rooftop distributed photovoltaic project at a large automobile tire manufacturing base in Anhui province. By fully leveraging the extensive contiguous rooftop resources of a modern tire factory, the project deeply integrates clean energy into the production processes of a high-energy consuming manufacturing industry. The project adopts a metal roof mounting solution featuring a flat-laid, single-span, multi-row vertical module layout. The system utilizes a professional configuration combining seam lock clamps, H-rails and mid-end clamps. The overall design strictly complies with local load requirements of 0.31 knots per square meter wind pressure and 0.519 knots per square meter snow load, ensuring structural safety and long-term stability under demanding meteorological conditions while optimizing installation efficiency. Operating primarily under a self-consumption model, the project will significantly reduce the cost of purchased electricity in the tire manufacturing process. It delivers a cost-effective and reliable clean energy solution for high-energy consuming industries, while providing tangible support for achieving green supply chain management.